ऊपरे उतरा. टुडे इज आज 19 तारीख है 18 है.
आज
19 है. टुडे 19th October. Papa is going to Amer Fort because I like to visit there. It's a good weather today. This is almost very near now. I think 10 more minutes, 7, 8 minutes, I'll be there. It's very beautiful place. These are mountains both sides. This is the road also can go to Delhi. They have a highway also, and from here also you can go past the Amer, and that's the Amer Fort. And once I took elephant ride from Amer to the city, sitting on the elephant. It was very nice trip. अभी तो हाथी नहीं चल रहे होंगे ना. मैंने सुना है बंद पड़े हैं जब कोरोना हुआ है. Because of coronavirus, elephant not working at the Amer now. Look at the fort up. That is a big fort. ये हाथी गया भाई.
गया पर वो अभी वो मतलब सवारी नहीं करा सकता.
तो फिर जाने का क्या फायदा.
कोई खाना वाना खाने आया होगा या खिलाने गए होंगे या पानी वानी पिलाने गए होंगे. और चल भी सकते हैं अभी 1-2 दिन में.
हाँ
चला भी सकते हैं.
ऐसे थोड़ी लाएंगे उसको फालतू में. 1 घंटा लगता है यहाँ से जहाँ पर वो रहते हैं हाथी वाले. हाथी में बैठे जाओ तो 1 घंटा लगता है. कोई VIP आया होगा उसको बुला लिया होगा.
हो सकता है.
हाँ इंडिया में तो VIP बहुत जरूरी है ना. अच्छा.
ये म्यूजिकल साउंड इससे पूरा किला लाइट की चकाचौंधने में दिखता है साउंड के साथ.
वो रात में दिखाते होंगे.
रात में इंग्लिश का भी है हिंदी का.
हाँ वो पहले दिल्ली में भी लाल किले पे होता था.
हाँ वो ऐसा ही होता है.
सोए लुमियर बोलते हैं उसको फ्रेंच में. ब्यूटीफुल अवे.
किले में जाओगे सर आप?
हाँ बेटा. आज तो जीप तो जा नहीं रही होगी ऊपर.
तो फिर कैसे क्या करोगे सर?
यहीं से चले जाए.
आगे यहीं
बस यहीं उतार दो. नहीं हाथी चालू नहीं है. आगे ले लो बेटा. हाँ वहीं से हम जीप पे जाती हैं वहाँ से. बस मैं चला जाऊँगा यहाँ से. मैं चला जाऊँगा. कितने हुआ बेटा? हाँ
100
हाँ बेटा. All this sweet shop, 40 things. Oh my God, so many. And this is Amer Fort. No elephant going. Hello. And that's दबाओ जा. Flower shop. आमेर आमेर आमेर। ओए बाबा,
सर फोर्ट पे जाएंगे
हाँ बेटा फोर्ट ही जा रहे हैं।
तो गाइड करेंगे,
नहीं गाइड नहीं चाहिए।
बाइक से ले जाएगा आपको।
अरे मैं बहुत दफा गया हूँ बेटा। थैंक यू। ओम साई राम। ओम कृष्णा वासुदेवाय नमः। This is Amer Fort. Amer Fort here. Before used to come by elephant from there. Now they don't allow elephant because of no tourists. That's why they are not working. I have to go buy the ticket. Yeah. Om Sai Ram. For Indian people, 100 rupees. For foreigner, 300. Wow. So expensive. I know. बेटा एक टिकट देना इंडियन।
कितने सर?
एक बेटा। $100 for Indian people. Thank you. Oh, thank you. 50 rupees. Thank you. हाँ इंडियन बेटा, पंजाबी। थैंक यू। नहीं बेटा, दिस इज द वन वी वर हियर बिफोर। अरे क्या करेंगे, हम लोग पंजाबी है, साफा पहनते हैं, पगड़ी। हाँ ओ बाबू, ओम कृष्णा वासुदेवाय नमः। I will go to temple first, mother temple. There is a mother temple there. See, almost empty. This is the main entrance to go inside. This is Diwane Aam. Aam means normal. People used to come and sit and tell their problem to Maharaja. They try to solve their problem. I remember when we came with our group, there were so many people around here.
5 слоники все въезжают. Они сходили в церковь, Мадр Прасад.
Еще есть Лумаша. Давайте ура сделаем! Ура! Ура!
They don't wait. Oh, beautiful. Wait. Look at that. That is the main street going to Jaipur. Look at that. Lot of water. Lot of water there. Oh, beautiful. Very good. It's not lot of sun. It's very, very nice. It's very, very nice. Look at that village. Om Krishna Vasudevaya Namah. Om Shri Krishna Vasudevaya Namah. Om Shri Krishna Vasudevaya Namah. Om Shri Krishna Vasudevaya Namah. people walking down. I will also go walking down when I go back. Somebody was very nice, young guy on the motorbike. I asked him, can you bring me up? I'll give you some money. He said, no, but I'll bring you up. And still I offered him some money. He said, no, thank you. He lives in the village and he knows all these people here. Still, we have many nice people in the world. He brought me up, otherwise too much hill for walking for me. It was very nice. Very, very good. Oh, beautiful. All this beautiful workmanship. Wait. Oh, baby. The video by. Look, this is the palace. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. That is Diwan Sas. Diwan Sas is special. For special people, Maharaja meet them and ask them what is their problem, try to solve them. This was place for all, it used to be water fountain there. They put water so that air coming become like cooler. That is very beautiful. I saw many times. I have been here many times. Beautiful workmanship you see on the wall. Very nice workmanship. This was the small wagon where they keep Maharani and riding, and people carry her to other place, other room. Everything very nice. Diwan Sas, as I told you, special Diwan. Where, and this was a temple. This was a temple for the royal family. Om Sai Ram. I'm going upstairs. Upstairs. Oi. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm here. That was the entrance where I came. These people live around there. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, beautiful, Baba. Nice. Oh, Baba. Oh, beautiful. Birds are sitting. Now I'm on the second floor, so I can look down. Yeah, beautiful. Not much sun. Look at this workmanship. All very pretty. Nobody around here. It's very, very good. Second entrance. Very good. Beautiful. Look at this nice flower pot. Very beautiful. same view, same view. Same view, same what I saw from other side. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Very nice. Happy to be here, but no enjoy alone. Yeah. Very soon I'll be going to the city back, then meet my nephew, ask him what happened to my brother, what is the situation. We'll find out. Today my sister Indra called me. She says, you are very close to Krishna. Why don't you pray Krishna and tell him to give freedom to my brother? I said, no, I can't do that. She said, because he's suffering. He's not alive, only like a body. And she knows that I could pray for that. I said, no, I don't feel good. I don't want like that. I pray to Baba to help him. I will pray to Krishna to help him. You know, it's my life. He's the only brother I have left. I want him to be better and sit at home and talk to us. That would be nice. Okay, going down. Going, it's a little bit dark here. It's a tunnel. But they have windows everywhere. They have windows. So don't feel that the room is closed. Also, there is some area, if you don't know how to get out, you will be lost. Now I'm back down here. This is my water bottle. I forgot. I'll take it. Oh boy, oh boy. Very good. Oh, I will rest a little bit, then try to go down. It's beautiful, very pretty. Empty, you see that? Only 5-7 people here right now. It's very beautiful. Hello. Привет. Hello. Tattala. Everything good. Everything good, everything good. Oi, baby. Oi, 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 oi,